This is a 2006 Ford F-150 4.2 V6 two-wheel drive. Almost 400,000 miles on the clock. Built Ford tough. Came in for a rough running complaint. As you can hear, it's still not running great. Has a P0174, P0316, had a P0306, P0300. Found that no spark on number 6, so we've got a new coil, we've got new wires on it, and it's running better, but still not perfect. I'm doing a power balance on this engine, and if you look here on my scan tool, that is cylinder number 6. Cylinder 6 value. Come on, focus. There you go. And I've got a bit of a miss still. The rest of the cylinders are okay. And if I go and unplug the number 6 injector, it gets a little bit worse. It's back here. Where are you, sweetheart? Here you go. And I'll show you the power balance difference. All right. 55, 67, 64. And plug it back in. And my power balance goes back down to 30, still skipping. I think I've got a clogged injector here. 385,000 miles, I would expect it. I know for a fact I've got an intake leak on the passenger side of the motor. I sprayed throttle body cleaner on the intake, and my fuel trims went from positive down to negative, started taking some out of the long term too, so I already know that's going to be an issue. It's a lot of work, as you can see, to get to the injectors on this, so I'm going to talk to the customer, see if he wants to do all 6 injectors as a set with the intake manifold, and that should get them on down the road. 384,000 mile Ford truck, built Ford tough, and I've never seen a Chevy go that far. Have a good day.